be satisfied. When it comes to personal property, there's no necessity of satisfying any formality. Now, what are personal property? Anything
that can be movable.
Properties, yeah. Okay, any movable. So, jewelry, the money, furniture, vehicles, anything. Okay, books, anything which are considered to be movables are personal property. So, even the shares, intangible properties are also there which are movable. Okay, so all these properties need not be satisfying any special formality in creating a trust. However, don't confuse yourself. There might be proper methods of constituting the trust property, even though there are no formalities to be satisfied. For example, if you consider about a bank account, so just imagine the money in the bank account. Okay. Now, you do not need to satisfy any formalities to create the valid trust if the property is a money in the bank account. But to properly constitute the trust property, that means properly transfer the legal title from the settler's hand to the trustee's hand, there are certain things to be satisfied, which we call it as constitution, properly constituting. Because the passbook of the bank account is with the other person, we can't say that he became the owner. Okay, just because that you have the passbook in your hand, you can't go to the bank and say that hereafter the money is mine, he asked me to have the money. You can't say it like that. The bank will not accept. There will be some methods to transfer your legal title, transfer the settler's legal title to the trustee's legal title by satisfying certain criteria. That is called the constitution. And even shares also. Now the share certificate should be transferred to the other person's name for that person to claim that he is the legal title holder. Okay, that is called the constitution. Okay, not the formality. So as I told you earlier, when I read that on the board notes, so the formality is for the entire transaction, how a valid trust is created. But constitution is about whether the legal title has transferred from settler's hand to the trustee's hand. Okay. For that, there would be mechanisms, certain things to be satisfied. Okay, but if it is a personal property, a movable, remember, to create a valid trust, no formalities. But depending on that type of the property, there might be proper methods of constituting. Okay, then